Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well.
So I'm gonna be creating this makeup look today, and this is inspired by fall, as you all know by the title. And this is fresh yet clean and glamorous makeup. You can pull off this look during festivities and upcoming weddings as well. So yeah, if you want to know how I have created this look, then please continue watching. So without any further ado, let's just start our video.
So I haven't done anything for my skin. My skin is feeling so dry. I mean um, बहुत ही गंदे वाले ड्राइंग सिचुएशन में मेरी स्किन है. ऐसे अच्छी लग रही होंगी बट इट्स वेरी ड्राई. आई मीन ये जो नोज़ के पास का एरिया है दैट हैज़ बिकेम मोर सेंसिटिव एंड कैसे एक्सप्लेन करूँ, फ्लेकीनेस हो गई है. लाइक लिटरली फ्लेक्स निकल रहे हैं. सो या and my current favorite is this Sugar Pop ka glow boosting rose gel. So yes, I'm gonna be applying this onto my face. Like बहुत ही अच्छे amount में I'm gonna be applying this, as you can see. As you can see, जैसे कि मैंने अभी अप्लाई किया तो मेरा पूरा फेस रेड हो चुका है. जो भी सेंसिटिव एरियाज थे, आई मीन दिस सारा का सारा रेड हो चुका है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना लेट इट absorb into my skin first, and then we're gonna jump into our next step. So I have just put on my lenses, and this is Good Vibes ka lip balm, and this is in rose variant. So I'm gonna apply that onto my lips. Move to our next step, which is primer. So I'm going to be using Sugar ka primer. This is a pore minimizing primer. So I'm gonna let it sit onto my face for few minutes, and then we're gonna jump into our next. Now I'm gonna apply Bling Leader Illuminating Moisturizer in shade 03 Peach Popping by Sugar Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply this onto my face. By the time it just get absorbed into my skin, we're just gonna color correct our under eye area, my under eye area. So yes, the Take Cover concealer and the PAC का Pro concealer in the shade Peach. और बहुत ही इसको थोड़े से अमाउंट में I'm gonna take, और इसको तो बहुत ही less amount में because it is highly pigmented and the shade is Pumpkin. Apply this foundation, Sugar ka drop the base serum foundation, and I'm using this foundation after ages. I mean, yes, this is the great foundation for the dry skin people and great for winter days. So yes. Highlight my face using this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this is my all-time favorite. I mean, yes. gonna quickly set my under eye area using this powder. So this is इसके अंदर जो पाउडर है वो नायका का कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर था, जिसको जो टूटा हुआ आया था उसको फिर मैंने और ज़्यादा उसको पाउडर फॉर्म में डाल करके इसमें दूसरे कंटेनर में फिल कर दिया. सो दैट्स Indian thing. So I'm just gonna quickly set my under eye area because under eye area tends to get crease very easily. Contour my face, so I'm going to be using this LA Colors का shimmer bronzer. Now moving towards eye makeup. I'm gonna be applying this lipstick, Sugar Pop की lipstick है in the shade Caramel Custard. This is the Sugar Pop Matte Mousse lipstick, and I'm gonna be applying this first onto my as a base. So yes, this is my base. And then I'm gonna blend it with a brush, a Pro Arte PE20 brush, and I'm gonna blend it. Now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Comfort Zone eyeshadow palette, and I will be using this two shades. I'm gonna mix these two shades, and I'm just gonna blend the edges of the eyeshadow. This shimmery shade, I'm just gonna pop it into the mirror. The brush and this shade, and I'm gonna just apply that. So this is my fall eyeshadow look, and now I'm gonna apply this lipstick as my blush. Apply this highlighter, serene highlighter, onto my highest points of my face, that is cheekbones, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow, chin. I'm gonna take these two colors. Enhance my brow using this brow definer. try different technique today, so I'm gonna just do back, like back side. I'm gonna draw strokes. ये मैंने किसी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट से ही देखा था इस टाइप से करना, so I'm just doing it. And now combing frontwards. Not bad. I'm gonna apply mascara, and I'm using Plum I Swear by Volume Mascara, and this is how it looks. And for lips, I'm gonna go with this color, which I have already applied onto my eyes. Last but not the least, I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna be using Faces Canada All-Time Pro Makeup Fixer, and I'm just gonna spray it like this, and I'm just gonna dab it onto my face. So this is how I have set my face. So guys, this is the fall look with some Indian touch, which is required as always. So yeah, I have kept this look very subtle yet glamorous and a bit of monochromatic. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करना, एंड ऑल्सो शेयर माई वीडियोज़ विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स. एंड इफ़ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल येट, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I will be see you all with another video. Till then, bye, take care, stay happy and spread happiness. Bye guys.